Yeah.
They go together today.
But just because we went to media.
Maybe he's stopping. I just went and sat down. But
Railroad
Oh. Finally got a train coming. That wasn't long. City Gray unit. I think that's a city rail.
I would learn that one these days.
You want a rail? Do you want a rail? There's Union Pacific on it. Yeah, that's why there's a green. Nice fast.
No, we don't sit there on the train.
On this side?
What number is he? 7499. Look, looks like that. Yeah. And he has a Union Pacific on him today. How do you know? How do I know?
Is it?
Yeah, got me. You in 1988, and then you would be awesome. Seems to be a mixed freight train because it has more cars, there's different cars on it. Yeah. What's the symbol? Canamera. Canamera. Is it a mixture? Gotta be a mixture. What are they doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? They're hopping on a freight train. Well, there's no passenger. There's no passenger trains for There's no passenger trains coming for hours. So I guess that's a way. I guess that's the way to do it. There's no passenger trains coming for hours. For another 4 hours. Not 4 hours. 4 hours. There won't be another train for hours. So it's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while till the next train. Just had to check the battery, make sure it wasn't low. It's good. Paper hanging on there. Those 3 guys were there, and then they just hopped on the train. Wait, what? Oh, they're there. They're on the grass. What were they doing? They're back there. Seems to be a yard switcher in the distance. What are they doing? What are they doing? They look like they hopped on the train. Just wanted a short ride, I'm guessing. If you're teenagers, if your age is that, I'd be expecting those kind of kids to be causing that kind of trouble, just hopping on trains. Not passenger trains, freight trains. The weirdest train to be riding on, like a passenger train, is a freight train. Sorry if I'm not steady. It's a good train. Wow. The usual content. An original bnsf sign. This better have something good. What else? Did it split? Oh, it just didn't look like those cars were moving. Looked like it just coupled for a minute. It's gonna be pretty much dead after this, so we'll go to Peak Park after this train. A laughing guy. Wow. Look at this steel rail traveling. Traveling at your local cargo. I don't know why. Another original BNSF sign. I like that sign. It actually says original sign. I love that one. I want to catch a great pumpkin. It has a cool original sign. H1s have the original sign. I think my dad's taking pictures of those bat symbols. The lawn train. When's it gonna end? What's those flat things? What are those on the flatbeds? There. It's a tornado sign. It's headphones. No. What the heck are these things? These beds? They look like beds. What the heck are these things? Are these like weird looking beds? They're like curved? What are these? What are these? What are these things? The thing that looks like it has wheels. So these beds, they're all strapped down. Imagine if someone was on it while it was like that, strapped down on a train. That would be weird. ATSF. Santa Fe. Wood cabin spray painted on it. Here. Get the headphones. It's the weird headphones. We're dumped at the station. Norfolk Southern. Awesome. Norfolk Southern car. It's a lawn train. Whoa. This looks like a vintage one. It honestly smells like candy corn now. It smells like candy corn now. Guys, it smells like candy corn outside. It smells like candy corn over there. See, it smells like candy corn. Why does it smell like candy corn? It's gone, I guess. Oh man, that was good. It's gone. I don't even know when this is gonna end. Seems like the engine's over there. There's an engine on the end. There's a grenade. What happened there? There's an engine at the end. It looks like a BNSF. If it's not a heritage inn, I'm gonna be triggered. I forgot my Tiger headphones. So if I hear a train horn, I'm gonna be kind of scared because I forgot my headphones. Seems to be a dash. Not. Wow. Corn. It's not candy corn. I can't see the number yet. I can't see the number. Wait. Seriously, I can't see the number. What is it? Probably not 4723. He was on. Last I saw him on August 8th, he was on the main line. Then how would he jump from the main line to here? Yeah, that's not a heritage unit. I'm mad. Yeah, that's not him. Sadly, not 4723. Why would it be? Why would it be? Why would it be? I see once. Can't see him twice. I do like this Dash 8 though. The original sign on the back. Cool. Get a nice locomotive on the back. It's 911. And there they are. There's the Dash 8. What? Track 1 has a queen. But I kind of see it. It seems like there's a BNSF all the way down there on track 1. But it seems that he's coming because there's a track. There's a green.
The lights are on.
Oh, come on. There's always police cars. What's Hope it has a heritage unit. We're gonna head down there to see the train that's sitting there. Green. Weird, I hear a yard switcher down there. If he yard switcher in the distance. This is the abandoned Dollar General. You still haven't turned the lights off. You have a problem, Galesburg. The abandoned kind of fruits have no luck at all. Listen, please. There's a train coming. Here it comes. He's fast. Where?
Get up.
Two came at the same
We got a
time.
break.
Two trains. There's another train. Don't make this too long. Here. Seems like it's not going to be a fully dead day. This is going fast though. Hear that? Sounds like music. Just listen. Trains in this area, which goes really fast. It's awesome. Nice music. Just listen to the music. And I start having, if there's heritage, you know, have a crisis reaction. If not, you can just listen. Because it's getting double. It's faster. That's funny. This sounds like music.